This is Paul Ferris from A Action Realty Inspection Services, coming to you from Murphy, Texas today. And if you haven't already guessed it, I did the unthinkable. I mowed over a sprinkler head. And instead of getting all mad about it, I thought this is the perfect chance to show people just how simple it is to replace a broken sprinkler head. After you locate where the damage is, you'll want to dig a hole and expose the broken sprinkler head. And these just simply unscrew. There you go, one broken sprinkler head. Then you're going to head over to your local home improvement store where they have a big selection of sprinkler part replacements. So take your damaged one, and you want to find one that's relatively the same size. If perchance you can't find one that's the same size, they do make these cut to fit risers, so you just cut off the length you need, and that will make your sprinkler head stand up higher so that you can keep it properly level with the top of the ground. And these are, you can get some that are adjustable. This one is 8 to 15, and you can adjust the spread on it. They do make more expensive ones, like these ones with the metal heads on them, but come on, you know you or your teenage son are going to mow over it again, so just go with the cheaper version. So now you come back home, and all you have to do is screw that back down. Now you see that green thing there? So that is a riser. So this one did need to be raised a little bit to keep it high enough to where it will spray properly. You can buy some, if you had a weird piece of ground, you can buy some that are really adjustable, and you can adjust the spray by angle. But where this one is, I just needed a 180 degree spread, so that's what I got. Now once you put it in and screw it down, you might have to do some fine tuning to get it where it's not going to spray on the driveway, but where it'll spray properly on the grass. But once you get all screwed down, nice and snug, good to go. Just put the dirt back on and you're done. So that was your fun tip for the day from A Action Realty Inspection Services. If you're buying or selling a home, give us a call, 972-572-4500. Thank you.